Do you ever wake up feeling tired even after a full night's sleep, but have no idea what's affecting your recovery? Today we'll review best Oura Ring. Link in description box below. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. Do you wake up feeling tired even after getting enough hours of sleep, or struggle to understand how stress, activity, and recovery affect your daily performance? Many fitness trackers can provide basic numbers, but they can be uncomfortable to wear all day or fail to give a complete picture of your health patterns. The Oura Ring 5 Smart Ring offers a compact solution for people who want deeper health and sleep insights without wearing a traditional smartwatch. Its all-titanium design is 40% smaller than the previous generation, while upgraded sensors track more than 50 health metrics covering sleep, activity, stress, heart health, metabolic health, and more. With 6 to 9 days of battery life, it can continuously collect data without frequent charging. Oura Advisor also uses AI-powered guidance to help you better understand your trends and make informed decisions about your wellness routine. A key consideration is sizing, as Oura Ring 5 uses its own sizing system, and the membership costs $5.99 per month after the included first month for new members. If you want a discreet, lightweight health and sleep tracker with detailed insights, Oura Ring 5 is a compelling option to consider. Thanks for watching the video.